when you're shooting a semi-automatic pistol, sometimes you will have the gun not go off, and there's a ton of reasons why that might happen. Could be a misfire, could be a failure to feed, and there's pretty much a simple drill that you can do for almost 95% of all the issues that you deal with, and it's called the tap, rack, bang drill. And what that means is, with your magazine seated, you're firing, nothing happens, you seat the magazine, that's the tap, you rack the slide, and then that will take care of 95% of your problems. Now what we've done, Glenn has his pistol, we've put a dummy round somewhere in the magazine. He's going to begin shooting. When he gets to the dummy round, it will not fire, and when that happens, he's going to demonstrate how to fix it and move on to the next round.